everyone, this is Anna and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how I made this silk top with lace. Let's get started. Measure the length of the top. Mark it on a paper and draw a straight line. Take a measurement from strap point to bust point. Mark it on paper. Take a measurement of your bust. Mark half of the bust and add 1 cm for movement. And from that measurement draw a straight line. Divide this rectangle in half. Take a measurement from wanted neckline to the bottom of the top. Mark this measurement on paper. And draw a straight line. Divide in half one side of the rectangle and draw a triangle. Divide in half one side of the triangle and draw slightly curvy line. Then draw straight angle from that point and mark 11 cm. Then measure 1.5 cm to each side. And join those points. That is the bust dart. On a back panel mark half, that is for the straps reference. I always underwrite my patterns, so I can know exactly where is the specific pattern. Take fabric and fold it. Place front pattern piece. Pin it to the fabric and give 1 cm seam allowance all the way around. Mark the dart notches. Also mark dart end and leave the pin in fabric. Then cut it out. Make notches at the dart. Do the same with back panel. Take the front piece and transfer dart point to the other side. Pin darts and sew it by machine. Overlock top edge on the front panel. Take what left from your fabric and cut the straps. Fold straps in half and sew it. I'm gonna use this loop turner to turn my straps, but you also can use a needle and thread to turn it out. Now I'm gonna cut the facing for back panel. Put the back panel on folded fabric and cut the same shape as the back top part. Make facing 6 cm wide and cut the excess. Pre-press straps, put onto the back panel notches and pin it. Put facing on top and pin it as well. Then sew it. Unfold facing on a seam allowance and put an understitch on the facing. Overlock the facing rough edge. Here is how it should look like. Take the lace and put it under the front panel. Then pin it and go to knotting on the sides. Flip the panel and take the excess of lace. Pin it like a dart. Then unpin the lace from panel and sew it by machine. Carefully make a little notch at the center of the front panel. Then fold the overlock inside and pin it to the lace. Then sew it by machine. Carefully cut the lace excess. Take the back panel and place it on top of the front panel. Unfold the facing and pin side seams together. Take the facing and flip it on the front panel. Do the same on the other side. And then sew the side seams. Overlock straight away. Take out the side corners. This is how it should look like. Then flip the top. Take the straps and place them to the front. Make sure they are not twisted. Pin them and sew by machine. The last thing we need to do is double turn the bottom and put the stitch all the way around. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And I will see you next time.